I'm Tech Scout Matt Sanderson, back once again today with another Tech Talk, and this one's a little bit different. So we know fall is quickly approaching, or it's pretty much here. And with fall, you have the cool, dry nights, you have football in the air, but it's not just football. It's also the risk of traumatic brain injury that comes along with football. Now, TBI is not just limited to the football field, but also to the battlefield. The warfighter also has that same risk. And today we're going to look at that and how we could possibly prevent it with some new technology that's rolling out here pretty soon. TBIs can be severe, but most are mild, like a concussion, for example. Even so, getting multiple mild concussions can cause chronic neurological conditions. TBI is one of the signature injuries faced by troops deployed to Afghanistan and Iraq. It's estimated that approximately 15% of all service members, or about 300,000 troops from those conflicts, suffered concussive symptoms, usually from an explosion or a vehicle crash. Now, recently, professional football has also struggled with an uptick in player concussions. The NFL reported 244 concussions in 2016 alone, and studies have found CTE to be widespread in the brains of deceased players. So after years in the making, debuting this season is the 01 football helmet from a company named Vices. Unlike a normal helmet, the 01 contains a deformable outer shell. Upon impact, it yields somewhat like a car bumper, and a soft reflex layer inside absorbs the blow. Key to the design is its size. It's just slightly bigger than the old helmets, and unless you're a football superfan, they're hard to spot. So what can DoD take away from the advancements in the anti-concussive helmet design? Let's talk about it. Now, a good military helmet has to meet different requirements than those on the gridiron, defending against ballistic threats, for one. But like professional football, DoD has been working on components to reduce trauma from blasts. The Army Research Laboratory collaborated with the NFL in 2015 on a rubbery smart strap system that connects the helmet to the torso, therefore minimizing acceleration in a blast. And earlier, DoD-sponsored work concluded that adding just a little more padding to the helmet and making it slightly bigger can better protect from head trauma. Earlier this year, airborne soldiers from Fort Bragg operationally tested a totally new warfighter helmet concept, the Integrated Head Protection System. The IHPS looks like it's straight from a video game, as it offers full protection for the mandible and face. It's more a motorcycle helmet than the old World War I era steel pot helmet. Although the IHPS doesn't integrate the pliable car bumper-like exterior of the 01 helmet, a face shield has shown to reduce blast stresses. Future DoD helmet concepts are likely to include some type of the new deformable technology that we'll see on the football field this fall. Now, the airborne soldiers over at Fort Bragg that tested the IHPS helmet design may actually benefit more from the 01 helmet design. It's the paratroopers, as they fall from the sky and have to navigate difficult landings, are the same ones that suffer the higher rate of concussions as compared to other service members. For additional info and tech talks, join us on Facebook, Twitter, and also LinkedIn as well. Have a great day.